Hello and welcome to this new unboxing for this amazing pen. It's a touch pencil. As you can see, this is the touch pencil that we are talking about, and from its look you can see that it's very similar to Apple pen. So now let's unbox it. Okay, now let's open the package. Okay, this is the Picasso, it's Magic Band pen, as you can see here, from WIWU. And this is the inside of the pen. This is a cable for charging. This is the manual, how to use it, how to configure it, as you can see. This is a grip for the pen to protect it. And this is the pen itself. As you can see, it looks and feels just like a normal pen in the hand. Now, if you want, you can put it inside the grip. And as you can see, this is where you can charge it. This is the location. Now, this is the button that you can use to start the pen. As you can see, it has a blue light indicating that now it's turned on. This is the pen head. Now let's test it out. This is a tablet, a Windows tablet. As you can see, I moved the screen. Now let's write the pin code. Now it's loading. I'm using the pen. Now this is the main screen, and as you can see, we can open Paint. It needs to be downloaded. Now this is iPhone, and now we are going to try to write some words here. Let me write, as you can see. This is my name and my signature. Let's write A as M. As you can see, you can change the pen type. As you can see, it's very precious. Let me open a new note. And let's try this one. Let's write. Okay, it's not educational. Right, this is EA as it's very precise in writing. as you can see. You can even draw anything. Let's draw, I don't know, a rose. It's very nice. It feels legit in the hand, as you can see. It has the size of a normal pen, and it's very accurate when writing using iPhone or Windows. So I really recommend this pen. If you need to buy one, please check the description. There is a link where you can buy your own pen. Thanks for watching this quick video. This is Educational Engineering Team.